In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a very simple purse with wooden handles. It only uses a half yard of fabric and is great for using up a little bit of leftover remnant that you have from another project. You can print out the free pattern that I made for this by following the link in the description below. To start with, you want to sew the darts at the bottom of the bag. Then you want to sew the front and the back of the bag together along the bottom. Stop at the point where the pattern breaks out. That's going to be used for the handle instead. Next, you want to hem the top and sides of the rest of the bag. Once everything is hemmed, fold the fabric over the handle and sew it in a straight line so that it encases that handle. Because the fabric will be gathered a little bit around the handle, this might be a little bit tricky. You'll just need to try and straighten it as you sew. If it helps, you can always draw a straight line onto your fabric so that it helps you line it up correctly. And then repeat that for the second handle of the bag. And you're already finished. You have a super simple new purse.